What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am super excited for this video today. To do a quick little intro before I get ahead of myself. Colorado is coming out completely insane. Seeing it with the door shade paint on it, clear, it's a banger. This truck is going to be sick. It's bringing back so many memories to me. I had my bagged S10 when I was a kid, like 15, 16. Drove it every day, loved it, loved the color. Seeing this truck, the same exact color, it's awesome. It's a good feeling for sure. So I'm gonna get right into this video. Just want to once again thank everybody for sticking around. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. We are growing. We're trying to get to that 10,000. When we get to 10,000 subs on this channel right here, I'm doing a giveaway. I'm gonna give away a completely free paint job to whoever wins. I'll help you get your car to me. We'll go over what you want fixed, what color you want, and I'll take care of it. No money out of pocket to anybody. So blow this up, share the videos, let your friends know if they could use a paint job. I'm the man. I can take care of it, no problem, and free of charge. So I'm gonna post a video on that shortly with all the details. All you have to do literally is be subscribed to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and just stick around. Literally, I'm gonna put everybody, all my followers, in a spreadsheet, enter them on a computer, 1 through 10,000, hit like the random search thingy, and whoever pops up, whoever's the lucky winner, I got you. We'll take care of it. It's coming. We're at almost 5,000. You guys share the video, send it to your friends, let them know. Let's blow this up. We're halfway there already. So I can't wait. I think it's gonna be a common thing, actually. If no one else is doing it on YouTube, I'm gonna jump on it. I'm gonna see what happens. Maybe I'll do this once a month. Maybe I'll do it once a year. But I really like giving back to the community, the car community in general, and why not? I can build content on it, and you guys can get a free paint job. So if you're sticking around, appreciate you. Love you guys. Thank you so much. And God, I can't wait for you guys to see this. This is gonna be a banger. to do this real quick because the phone is about to die. I forgot to charge today and it's been a long day. So, like I said, truck looks phenomenal. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. It's gonna look so good when we get it together and we do like the black bed liner and the window trim, all new black seals, the blacked out tail lights, the blacked out headlights, the inner fender wells all new. Like the black and the green is gonna look so good together, and I'm stoked about it. So once again, 10,000 subs, giving away a paint job similar to this, whatever you like, whatever vehicle it is, unless it's like an RV or something, but any paint you like, I'll help you get the vehicle to me. We'll work something out at 10,000 subs. So go ahead and, I don't know, tag people in this video, share it with your friends, share it on your timeline. All you have to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and wait around for the instructions on entering the giveaway. That's as simple as it gets. I'm gonna take everybody who's subscribed to my channel, 1 through 10,000, go on random.org, hit it, whoever comes up, free paint job. Doesn't get much easier than that. Also, considering this to be a normal thing, no one else is doing anything like this for the community. I want to be the guy to help the community. So maybe once a month, once every 6 months, I don't know yet, but this will not be the first giveaway. I promise you that. So stay tuned. Thank every single one of you for subscribing to my channel and helping me grow. And let's keep going. 5,000 more subs to the first giveaway. Super stoked about that. Let's get it going. Appreciate y'all. See you.